trespass order has been given, you do need to leave the area.
I think it's comfortable to just carry on with life as if nothing bad's happening, and you can just go to work, pay your bills, buy your flash TV, buy your flash car, but it doesn't address anything, right? It just kind of perpetuates the status quo. Understanding that we face these really big issues, I don't know how I would be able to live ignoring it. A big moment for me was learning about our pop. When he was 7, he decided he wasn't going to be Māori at the age of 7. And that's a real trauma, real colonisation-driven decision. But understanding how that decision that he made when he was 7 impacts us now. So I didn't grow up with my own Māoritanga. I've always felt quite uncomfortable in Māori spaces, always felt more comfortable in Pākehā spaces, all that kind of stuff, just because I never felt like I had it. But understanding that my pop can make that decision and that it impacts me 2 generations later means that what decisions I make today can have an impact on the generations to come. For us, there was a real radical action to go into our National Museum and do what we did in broad daylight. The truth really resonates, especially now when there's so much misinformation out there. When we can go out there and do stuff that highlights the truth, people really feel that, they'll feel that in their nāko. What I get tired of is the amount of effort or attention we give the government. I think fear is a huge tool of theirs and intimidation, but once you're not scared of them, they don't have much power over you. I believe in non-violence. I don't believe violence will get us anywhere. I think all our tactics have to be revolving around non-violent principles and aroha. With that, anything's possible really. It's just about how creative can we be. What we do now will have an impact on our whakapapa, on those who come after us. Our taumiriki's future is at stake here.